Hi guys, welcome to Chinese Hanyu Pinyin lesson again. Today we will be learning the last two initials. These are all the initials and the last two are E and U. In fact, I had made a video about E and U. I will put the link below. You can take a look because in the textbook, I think 1A, two of the pages are teaching E and U. But here we will learn again in the complete manner. So let's start it. Let's get started. Y is E. This is E and this is U. E and U. The sound of this Y is the same as this E. E and this one is also E. But this is finals. This is initials. Initial means put in front. And this one is put behind. So it's called finals and initial. This sound is U. Is the same as this U. This is finals. This is initials. So let's try to use the initial to match with the finals. E and R. E and R is ya. You don't have to remember why is it ya. You just try to make the sound. Let's say E, R, E, R, E, R, E, R. And make it faster. Ya, 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 ya. So it will become ya. Okay. Ya, 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 ya. Let's say you try to put the tone on top. So this one become ya, 鸭子的鸭的 duck, or 牙齿的牙 second tone, 牙的 tooth, 牙 or 牙 the third tone, 亚亚亚马来西亚的亚 Malaysia 亚 okay, YA is 呀 and the next one YE 呀 and this one E A R ear ye. This one pronounced as ye ye ya ye. So 爷爷的爷is grandfather, right? 爷爷ye. I and E is, if the sound for this IE is ye, this one also ye. But this one is supposed to match with another initials. So for example, 波 ye, 别 but this one is by itself is 爷爷的爷爷爷 which one? This is 爷 so 爷 is the second one, so then we put the second tone, so this is 爷爷 the next one E and E, both are E, still pronounced as E. Y O. Yeah, there isn't such a thing in Chinese. Yo sounds good in English, but not in Chinese. The next one, Y U. This is U. There isn't such a thing. Yes, I know you have seen this Yu before, but in fact what you have seen is E and Yu. So E and U, no, it doesn't exist in Chinese. And E and Yu, yes, there is such a sound in Chinese, but when Yu match together with E, we should remove the two dots. Then it becomes something like this, but we will know it is not E and U because there isn't such a thing in E and U in Chinese. So when you see E and U, you will know this is E and U. And let's try to make it 4 tones. Yu, 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 yu. Let's say 下雨的雨 raining 下雨的雨 this is 雨 this character is 雨 so how do you write the Hanyu pinyin for that? This is 雨 first you write the Hanyu pinyin is 雨 second choose the tone 雨雨雨雨 which one is the third one, right? yu. Then you put the third tone. So this is yu. And okay, after finish the let's proceed to u, a, wa, wa. U, we don't have this one. Okay, this one is very common. Sorry, this is wo. Wo is wo. This is wo. U and o. So you get the sound wo. And this character is wo. So you should indicate the sound is the third one. Wo means I. Wo. U and u, both are u, so it's still u. Okay, 1、2、3、4、5的5 number 5 5 is the sound is 5, so it's W and U, and then try to choose the tone and this one is so it is the third one. Okay, there isn't such a thing. So when you write WU, you know this is U and U, so it's U. And that's it for today. Congratulations, you have achieved another milestone that you have finished all the initials over here. And you finish the single finals. So we'll proceed to the multiple finals in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.